Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Vatsa and I am a self-taught fitness enthusiast. If you are a college student just like I was a few years ago, or a working professional working a 9 to 5 just like I am right now, and you are looking to stay fit, lose weight, build muscle, and just improve your life overall, then you're in the right place. Every week I'm going to be sharing delicious low-calorie Indian recipes just like this one, which you can add straight into your diet, and also fitness-related content broken down into simple terms that help me to go from this to this, and also self-improvement habits, because I am just like you, trying to get better every day. So please consider subscribing. With that, let's jump into this video. In today's recipe video, we are going to be making one of my favorite North Indian recipes, Besan Cheela. But, this isn't going to be just any Besan Cheela. This is going to be one which is higher in protein, one which is lower in calories, one which is going to keep you full, one which is going to continue helping you make progress in the gym, and finally, one which tastes amazing. Okay, so that's enough talk. I'm going to show you the recipe, you're going to watch it, you are going to make it yourself, and then you're going to be like, wow, this is so simple. I cannot believe I'm actually dieting. And then what you're going to do is you are going to follow me on Instagram, tag me while you make it so that I can see the same excitement on your face too. And like always, guys, the calories and the macronutrient breakdown will be mentioned at the end of the video. So please do stay tuned and watch the entire video. And also all the ingredients that I am going to be using for this recipe will be mentioned down in the description. So do check it out. With that, let's now jump into the recipe. All right, guys, to kick things off, let's take a bowl and add 100 grams of besan, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Ajwain, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of pepper. Along with this, we're gonna add a pinch of hing, and you can also add coriander leaves at this step, but I was out of coriander leaves, which is why I added 1 teaspoon of coriander powder instead. Next, let's add some water and stir it all up. Once it's all mixed well, time to add 1 medium onion chopped, 1 medium tomato chopped, half a cup of chopped green bell peppers, 2 to 3 green chilies, 112 grams of crumbled paneer, and finally salt for taste. Mix it all up, add water if needed, and bring it to a consistency of your liking. Now that the batter is ready, spray some cooking spray onto a warm pan and pour the batter and spread it evenly as such. And finally, make sure both sides are fully cooked. And there you go, guys, your Besan Paneer Cheela is all ready. This can be eaten with your favorite pickle or sauce on the side, or just as it is because it tastes just as good. Now moving on to the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown. So for the entire recipe, it is a total of 812 calories, of which 82 grams are carbs, 35 grams are fat, and 44 grams are protein. Now, and if you divide this into 2 servings, then each serving is a total of 406 calories, of which 41 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 22 grams are protein. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. It will not take you more than 15 minutes, and I promise you it's gonna taste amazing. So do try the recipe out, guys. Do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And also do comment down below on the kind of videos you'd like to see, or even the kind of recipes you'd like to see. I would be happy to make a healthy and a lower calorie version of it. With that, I'm gonna end this video. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, give it a like. Please hit the subscribe button and also share the video with others. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.